you have to learn everything. Lahat naman tayo nagsisimula sa learning. So if it doesn't work out for a couple of months, even a year, that doesn't mean it's not for you.
Yeah.
You know, ang yung sinasabi lang, anything that you lose focus on or mismanage, then you will lose it.
Yeah.
Kapag hindi mo na ma-manage na mabuti, hindi mapapasa yun. But what you focus on is mag-grow.
Yeah.
Tawag doon. Kita mo, di ko nga ma-translate sa English. Nahihirapan ako may English. Diba? Na kung ano yung fino-focus mo, yun yung mag-grow.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung nami-mismanage mo, yun yung hindi rin siya forever na magiging sa'yo.
Nice.
So focus on one thing and manage it well para mag-work talaga for you.